50,000 pieces per hour. Portable packs from 5 to 50 wipes per pack. Servo motor and PLC. Control system. RRT-260D is one of the most popular machines for multi-type wet wipe production. Flexible for various tissue size and packaging size. Whether it's 1, 10 or 50 wipes in a pack, the RRT-260D handles it all. From baby care and kitchen cleaning to medical and disinfectant wipes, one machine meets all your mid-pack needs. It works perfectly with spunless non-woven, biodegradable fabrics and standard or eco-friendly films, keeping your production green and market-ready. Driven by a main servo motor system and assisted by pneumatic cylinders, the RRT-260D delivers a stable production speed of 15 to 60 packs per minute. It is built for heavy-duty, 24/7 continuous operation with absolute stability. The intuitive PLC and touchscreen make operations simple. Your existing team can master it quickly, eliminating the need for high-level engineers to supervise the line constantly. With nearly 20 years of experience and over 300 successful projects every year, RRT-260D is our most popular machine for making 1 to 50 wipes per pack. If you are interested in such machine, welcome to contact us.